The ongoing conflict between Iran and Israel in June 2025 is sending shockwaves through the global business landscape, with far-reaching consequences for energy markets, international trade, and financial stability. As Israel launched targeted strikes against Iranian military and nuclear facilities, and Iran retaliated with missile attacks, the region has become a flashpoint for global uncertainty. One of the most immediate impacts has been on oil prices, which surged to 5-month highs as fears grew over potential disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz, a critical waterway through which nearly 20% of the world's oil supply path. Any closure or prolonged instability in this region could send oil prices soaring past $100 a barrel, driving up costs for businesses and consumers worldwide. The conflict has also disrupted key shipping routes in the Middle East, with attacks on commercial vessels and threats to maritime security forcing many companies to reroute shipments around Africa, significantly increasing shipping times and costs. Insurance premiums for ships operating in the region have spiked, further adding to the financial strain. Meanwhile, major airlines have been forced to cancel or reroute flights as airspaces over Israel, Iran, and neighboring countries remain closed, complicating global logistics and increasing operational expenses for the aviation industry. Financial markets have responded with heightened risk aversion, as investors flock to safe haven assets like gold and government bonds. Stock markets in Asia, Europe, and the US have experienced volatility, reflecting concerns about prolonged instability and the potential for a broader regional conflict. The Israeli shekel has weakened and panic buying has been reported domestically, while global consumers are bracing for higher fuel and food prices as supply chains are strained. This conflict underscores just how interconnected geopolitics and business have become. From oil and shipping to aviation and consumer goods, the ripple effects of the Iran-Israel war are being felt across the world. As the situation evolves, businesses and policymakers are closely monitoring developments, hoping for a de-escalation but preparing for further disruptions that could reshape the global economic landscape in the months ahead.